Day 4.
The bus left us.
But they're gonna, yeah, they're gonna take you guys to the base. You guys stay and you guys get on, right?
We're about to, the owners are about to take us.
No, we're gonna take you guys on the bus. Yeah, then wait. Y'all have fun, all right, ladies?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright. It's about 7:15 a.m. This is the early tour. I think we got an early one tomorrow too. What was it? This is the bus in. It has a bathroom on it, and the ride is like, I think they said like an hour and a half. So I could have brought my battery charger because for this hour and a half ride, I want to be on my phone. But it's only 8:30 a.m. and I know by the time the afternoon comes, my phone gonna be dead. So I'm trying not to use my phone. We just arrived in TULUM. We're about to stop by the bathroom. I think that's our first stop, and then we're gonna be here for like 2 hours. So. Hola.
Picture?
Maybe later.
Adentro a la izquierda. Thank you.
Eating an avocado. Yeah, that's the good fat. He on my diet. Just barely fit through here with my tall self. Okay, so I think these are the Mayan ruins. She said she wanted to go up to the top of those stairs. What is she? They said this is where all of the upper class people of that time would live before it got destroyed.
God descending from the super war fertilized earth, and it's the proper time for these guys to start their human sacrifices.
Human sacrifices?
So the high priest on top perform.
Yeah, I'm about to sit on this rock because my legs. But old buddy said, no, you ain't coming to my house. All right, I'm going. What'd she do?
She's like,
oh, in the thing? Oh, okay.
walking.
Oh, we gotta bend down to get in here. Cool.
It was just something.
I guess that shows you how the Mayan people were. Short stature.
Yeah. Right.
Ooh. Okay, back. Lord. Definitely a blessing to be able to try. Alright, so we're leaving Tulum. We visited the Mayan ruins, which I showed you guys, but I thought we were gonna be like on the beach, on the sand, feet kicked up in the water. You know, when I think of Tulum, that's what I thought it was gonna be, but it was still a good experience. We headed on to the next spot. Worst thing about this is the walk. Like, from the grounds that we were on to the bus, it's probably about a mile in scorching heat, humid Houston weather. This reminds me of Houston weather. It might be a little bit worse because there's like literally no breeze at all, only when you're by the water. But like I said, experience of a lifetime. We got 3 more stops to make, so I'm about to get on this bus. We got a 45-minute ride, get some water, and catch some Z's probably. We just made it. You see, I am still sweating like crazy. Got me some soda. Y'all know I don't even drink soda, but the water, what I was told, was too nasty. So, well, that's nasty. Let me say it's like a strong, it has a strong like taste to it. Let me say that. I'm about to taste it. It's by Maker's Mark. Maker's Mark is at Sam's.
But it has, I don't like the flavor, but you might like it. Like it tastes like mineral. Yeah, but I don't like it as much as you like it. It's weird, right? Okay.
Yes. Oh, and it has an aftertaste. Okay, so that's a no. I'm gonna stick with this soda. So we taking shots after that. You gotta take your shot? You gotta take yours? Very strong. Ooh, I don't know what they use in there. Tequila? Bunch of fans, but they only have like 2 fans going, so it's so hot up there. Coco was like about to pass out, so we just came here. I'm just sitting down on this bench. You get kind of like a natural outside breeze, but that upstairs was a fool. I don't enjoy tours like this. I really don't. When I go to vacations, I want to be by the water with a cool breeze and a fruity drink in my hand. So all this sightseeing and seeing the people and how they eat and live, this is so not me. But like I said, I'm being a team player. So now we're on bikes in the middle of nowhere. I haven't ridden a real bicycle probably in about 12 years or longer. Terrible. I'm like a wobbly newborn giraffe on this thing. All right, I guess I'll stop being a negative Nancy. Is my wig coming off? Let me come over here with them. These are more ruins. See, that sign says prohibited, and she climbing to the top.
Oh, you're getting up there.
This while I'm riding, so y'all can see this tragedy. Okay. Oh, kind of getting the hang of it. So for this part, we had to get off of our bikes. I guess because it's just so many trees everywhere. Oh, this is the ruin that you climb up. They said it's really hard coming down. Like if you can walk up, but coming down you have to like crawl on your butt. It don't look that tall on here, but that thing is steep. All you do is hear these people, all these people saying nope, 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 no, hell no. Well, we came, we saw, we did not conquer. Alright, we're going down to the cenote, which is the freshwater spring. Is that right, Tina? Yeah. Freshwater spring? Okay. So I have my little life jacket on, swim shoes, and they said it's like 90 feet deep. All right, guys, about to jump in. I hate you. Oh shit! Y'all are not gonna believe, but my wig came smooth off as soon as I jumped in. Oh my God. Oh shit, I hope somebody has it on camera. All right, so I just took my wig off, got my braids hanging. The shit fell off as soon as I jumped in. I put it back on. I said, you know what? It's a hassle, so we got the Iverson. I got the Iverson braids. I'm about to have fun. Jump, jump, jump. Woo!
Behind a water bottle in like a crevice of the cave. In the crevice of the cave. Right when we walk out.
Okay. Yeah, you should. Yep. I hung my wig on a rock. Alright, so we're back in the room. We've been back for probably about an hour now. We just showered. Now changing just to go eat. We're gonna go to like a little nicer type restaurant. Not fancy, because we're still gonna be basic in our clothes. But just like a little nicer restaurant instead of the one that we've been eating across the street from our hotel. That one we've been eating there like every day. So I'm just gonna throw my little wig on real quick. Let me try to prop y'all up. I'm gonna throw my wig on and be out the door because I'm hungry. I'm gonna have one meal today and a bunch of junk food. And y'all can see my tan. I'm a nice and brown. That's exactly what I wanted. Okay, so this is the vibe. I don't remember where I got this dress from. I want to say maybe Lovely Wholesale or African Mall. I'm not really sure. But anyway, so that's the vibe. Let me get my little purse. And just my little $2 Forever 21 purse. And yeah. We're back on the bus. Going out to eat. Just me and Tina. We are literally the only people here. Say hi, T.
Hi, I'm sunburned.
Still cute though.
It is good.
Just while we eating, he chilling. He probably used to people. They probably throw him food all the time. Let's see if he gonna take my bread. Get it, get the bread, get it. All right, so we found out he likes bread. He doesn't like limes. He doesn't like vegetables. He doesn't like shrimp. He likes calamari. That was a calamari. He ain't even moved. He knows the difference.
Oh, he's getting a shrimp? No, never mind.
Tomorrow.
Good morning. This is our last full day here. Back on the bus to this place called Explorer. This is the water park, like theme park. We have about an hour ride. Only me and Tina came today. It's like each day it gets less and less people. This place looks huge. We're waiting on our tour guide. I guess they're gonna give us wristbands. We're gonna get helmets, lockers to put everything away. Let me catch this zip liner. Like I hear it. That's what I'm not gonna do. I might, I don't know. But
yes, you will. I'm gonna be with her.
I don't plan on doing it, to be honest with you. But
Inside Explore, food, drinks included all day long. Okay, all day long. There is no alcohol. Okay. No tequila, no cerveza. Today is for milkshakes. Okay, today is for milkshakes. But no, there is no alcohol. There are 5 different activities to do. Zip lining with 2 different circuits. Deer and jaguar. ATVs for driving with 2 different circuits too. The names are wet and dry roads. Wet and dry. Okay. Rafting, you can do rafting also. There is an underground river for swimming. Another activity that is called hammock splash. Hammock splash, zip lining seated on a hammock. Zip line seated on a hammock. So 5 different activities.
I have my helmet on. Hopefully you can see. I'll be recording on my phone, so quality will definitely not be as good. Jeez, if I can
bunch of cave. We're literally in a river under a cave. Like, I've never seen nothing like this in my life.
I hear a waterfall. Oh Lord. Here's the waterfall. Go ahead, Tina. Big booty Judy. Hey, y'all, here goes. We're going on the waterfall. Sorry about the party. That was amazing, and that was just our first ride. Woo. Okay, all right, bye. This is literally like an underground museum as you walk to your next excursion. These are the rafts. This is the cafeteria. Like I told you guys, all food and drinks are included.
So please, this is your table. You can leave your helmet to the head.
Okay. Second plate, so good. Oh my God. Especially dessert time. Had to get a little sample of everything that looked apple.
¿Problema médico? No. ¿Cirugía? No. ¿Embarazo? No. ¿Problemas de la espalda? No. ¿Claustrofobia? No. Todo.
Bitch, we in Jurassic Park. Look at this shit. Oh, this is badass. Wait, slow down. Gina, I got okay. Oh, slow down. Oh, God. Jesus. Gina, see? Oh, my God.
Gina, shut! You are just breaking song. She said if you cry, don't drop your phone.
So glad we came on a Monday. There's no line for anything. We're literally just walking straight up, which is awesome. So we're about to get on the wet ATVs now. We already did the dry ones where we just got off the zip line, the wet zip line. They have a dry one also. So now we're about to do the wet ATVs. She's the driver again because y'all know I'm scary. So well, y'all don't know. You know, you don't know, you know now. So let's see that. On the zip line. Hola.
Is that first time today?
Bye, Tina.
Hey, Gina.
Bye, Tina. Look at the camera. Woo!
Look at me.
That's what I'm like, somebody told me that. Just finished the zip line. I would have recorded it while we were coming down, but you gotta hold on with both hands. Drink station. So they have all these different drinks, snacks. They got fruit. They got cookies. Bathroom. This is just, they have these like at different checkpoints. This is so cool. Can y'all tell us what these little things are? They are the most adorable thing ever. Is he gonna bite me? All right, we are done. It's about 5 p.m. We're back on the bus that's gonna take us back to our hotel. Oh, it's kind of sad. We had so much fun. I'll tell y'all all about it later. But we're about to probably fall asleep during this bus ride, get back to the hotel. I don't know what we're gonna do tonight, but all right, I'll catch y'all on the other side.
The next day.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. All right, guys, it is my last day here in Cancun. Let me cut off my forehead because it's kind of shining and being disrespectful. But it's my, let me take these glasses off too. Oh, really? Got a whole thing of lashes on my cheek. All right. Yeah, I ain't doing these no more. I did these just for the trip. But anyway, it's the last morning here. We're gonna head to the airport around 2:30. It's about 8:30 a.m. now. We have reservations at 10 a.m. to do jet skis, wave runners, whatever they're called, and then do that for an hour, and then we're gonna come back, grab our stuff, head to the airport. So now I'm about to just straighten this room up, get all my stuff together, pull out my clothes that I'm gonna wear for the water activity and what I'm gonna wear on the plane. What is this? So yeah, I got about an hour to get everything together. Done. Just made it to the beach. They drove us like 30 minutes to a better beach that's not as choppy as the one by our hotel. So I'm guessing these are the ones that we're using. It's gonna be fun. Because I only got one hand on. Woo! Okay, let me stop before I flip over. I'm sad. We just got back from doing the wave runners, jet skis, whatever you call them. That was our last thing to do, and now we're just gonna shower, sit around and wait, I guess, until about 2:30 to head to the airport. Man, this was a amazing trip. Those wave runners, I was about to say that was probably the most exciting thing we did, but probably yesterday's adventures and stuff. I think that was like the most exciting stuff with like the zip line and the you know, swimming in the underground cave and stuff. So we just did so much. Man, as soon as we parked our jet skis, it literally started pouring down, raining, and it rained for like probably like 30-40 minutes straight. So I'm just hoping that the rain stops and it doesn't interfere with our flight. And I hate flying in the rain. I hate flying, period, but I definitely hate flying in the rain. But all right, guys, I'm about to get my last little stuff together, put my airport clothes on, and then just chill. right, we're leaving. I have a bra on, so that's how I know it's real. I haven't had to wear a bra this entire time. So we're at Bubba Gum's waiting for our flight. We're just getting something to eat. We're still here at the CANCUN airport. But I just wanted to come to you guys real quick just to tell you how expensive this trip was. Like I said, this is my first time in CANCUN. I've been in Mexico before on a cruise, and I've visited different places in Mexico, but my first time actually coming straight to CANCUN. And this trip was about $1,400 with the flight, room, all of the excursions we did, taxis, buses, Uber, checking bags, everything. I literally have like a ledger that I wrote down in my phone of everything that I spent, and it was $1,400. So there's probably cheaper alternatives to coming to CANCUN and having fun if you just want to go to the beach and drink. But if you want to experience like a real vacation, going on excursions, doing something every single day, you are going to spend some money. And I don't know what I expected. I don't know. I did everything that I wanted to do. I had a ball. Like y'all can tell from the video, I had a blast. But you know, I did want like a beach day, like an actual like swimming beach day. I also wanted to hit up the nightlife, the clubs and stuff. I didn't get to do that because after the excursions are literally all day. You get back to your room around 6. One night we got to our room, I think at like 8 p.m. So you're literally gone the entire day. So my body just, maybe in my younger days I could do it, but my body just wasn't up for it. So, but those are the only 2 things I regret. But hopefully I can come back to CANCUN in maybe like a year. Maybe like a year, because I have other trips planned coming up. So maybe in about a year I'll be back and we'll see how it goes.
I definitely want to come back. This is the best vacation I've ever been on. If y'all ever come to Mexico, you have to go to that Explorer place.
Alright guys, we're about to eat, we're about to go. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog just as much as I enjoyed filming it for you guys. And then back to our regular scheduled program of try-on hauls and all the stuff that you guys love. Alright, bye!